This thing's massive. Well guys, in this episode we work our butts off with some very loud equipment, so I'll just pop on once in a while in voiceovers and play you some awesome YouTube approved music. Those that know us well know we'd rather be listening to hard rock and country, but this will do too. Enjoy. See the camera moving? So here's a bit of a backstory before I get into this. Jason asked for a magnet mount for the GoPro because he was irritated with it and getting it to stand up, etc., etc. So we're in the bush a lot with equipment, so I got the magnet. And as you can see, he keeps moving the tractor and not repositioning the GoPro. Yep, there he goes again. Squirrel. Tree. Seriously though, Jason gets in a zone and there is no getting him out of it. Anyway, I can't count how many times I had to go retrieve it. The battery dies and off I walk back to the cabin for a new battery. On the way back, I need a cool down. Here's how that goes. Okay, you guys, it was so hot. Because the bugs basically annihilate me in the bush, I have to stay covered head to toe. I couldn't take the heat any longer, so here's my little trick. So refreshing. Okay, Matt and Mouse, name that movie. Probably too easy for you. that means we're done. Too hot for this anyway. Oh. Well guys, look at this. So, it's still quite mushy, but we're making progress. Look at the path. We're never gonna fill that, but whatever. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. It's so hot today. Oh. I'm gonna need a cold shower. See? Still mucky, but it's gonna dry up. It's better here. Walk on it here. Oh, hard work. Oh. I didn't want to pull that out. I was going to trip you. half a face cord, which is 1/6 of the full cord. Okay, that's good. We did good. She's hot. I'm sweating. He's gonna back it up.
Mom's laying
touch this.
I know it doesn't need wood chips. I'm just gonna do it to make it look good.
Yeah, he's gonna hook up the splitter, and we're gonna go to a different part down there and stack some more. So we're just gonna have all these little stacks everywhere, just for ease of, yeah, like not wasting time and moving wood all the time, and we can just come back and get it. Great plan. I'm gonna bring this chainsaw for him. It's stuck on the root, that's why I couldn't move it. Yeah, we just moved the chipper, or not the chipper too, but the splitter around, and just make little piles like this all through the bush. And then as we need it, we come get it.
Yeah,
It's easier that way. On to the next tree.
Remember that log?
Yeah. This is a pile we had cut last year. It's good and dry. We can start using that right away in the fall. There's another pile closer to the cabin. We're about 350, 400 meters away from the cabin here. We're exhausted. It's too hot for this. We'll get some more done next week. We did get a lot done this weekend though. Heading back, get cleaned up.
This is for the light stuff.
Yeah.
You're right.
Well, it's light, but not light. There we go.